Hi, today is my video about the vacuum suction, which don't pick up anything like it was before, doing a very good job, but now it's picking nothing because this roller is not running. So I'm gonna show you. See, when I turn this on, it's doing nothing. So basically the belt is here, is broken. So I'm gonna change this belt. I'm gonna show you how you can change the belt. So this is the Bissell vacuum, and some vacuums can open from the bottom and some vacuum can open from the top. So this vacuum actually also open from the bottom, which is like, see, so we can unscrew these all screws, or actually it's 5 I believe, and then I'm gonna show you how you can change your belt. It's very easy. It just costs $5 for belt and your vacuum will be like running like new. So that's how the belts look like. They come into the 2 belts package. See the Bissell 2-pack, and the numbers mentioned here, and these are 2 belts, and we took the screws off and this part came off and then changed the belt. I'm gonna show you how. You need just a 1 flip head screwdriver or the 4 head screwdriver. You take this off and put the belt. There is a 1 rolling pin here, so put this one here. Yeah, so there is a 1 pin, metal pin here. So this belt, first you put it here, because if you put the first belt here, you can't go over there, it will be hard to stretch. So first put the belt with your hand properly, and when you see it's there. So now you put your rolling pin here, and you see the 2 sockets, like 2 brackets here. 1 bracket is here, 1 bracket is here. It goes here, like this one is kind of square and this one is like rectangle. So take a little bit of this, see, it's rolled properly, and then it's very easy. It's not take more than 5 minutes and your vacuum will be running like new vacuum. So this is the first thing. When you notice your vacuum is stop suction anything, don't suck anymore and just doing a noise but don't pick up anything from the floor, it means your belt is broken. So this time I felt my belt is broken, but when I open it, it's not, maybe it's not properly installed. So let's see its work working or not. So put the screws back in and let's see it's working or not. Okay, so this is the last screw. Put the all screws back and let's see it's working or not. So this is a testing time. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment on my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.